Are you tired of feeling lost in your money? Today, September 20th, 2025, the ultimate budgeting showdown begins. The clash of the titans, apps versus spreadsheets, which one will emerge as the reigning champion of personal finance? It's a battle as old as time. Well, maybe not that old, but you get the point. We're all about helping you make the most of your money. So let's spill the tea on these two heavy hitters and help you decide which one is your secret weapon to financial success. Before we crown our winner, we'll explore the strengths and weaknesses of each contender, giving you the insights you need to choose the right tool for your financial journey. So whether you're a tech-savvy strategist or a spreadsheet superhero, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. App Arsenal, the tech-savvy strategist. Modern budgeting apps are like having a financial sidekick that's always by your side, ready to help you conquer your financial goals. They offer a ton of cool features that make managing your money a breeze. One of the biggest benefits of using a budgeting app is that they usually sync with your bank accounts and credit cards, meaning you don't have to manually enter your transactions. Apps can do the hard work for you, tracking your spending and categorizing it for you so you can see exactly where your money is going. This makes it super easy to identify areas where you might be able to cut back and save more. Another great feature of many budgeting apps is the ability to set budgets and track your progress towards meeting those budgets in real time. You can also set up alerts so you're re-notified if you're getting close to your limit for a particular category. Some apps even have built-in tools for setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Popular apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, Mint, and Rocket Money have their own unique features and benefits. YNAB is known for its zero-based budgeting approach, while Mint offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your finances, including credit monitoring and bill payment reminders. Rocket Money helps you find and cancel unwanted subscriptions and negotiate lower bills. So what's the verdict on apps? They're perfect for those of you who want a hands-off approach to budgeting. If you're tech-savvy and comfortable managing your finances online, then an app might be just what you need to stay on top of your budget. Plus, if you're new to budgeting altogether, the set it and forget it functionality can be a game changer. Spreadsheet Sanctuary, the customizable command center. Now let's talk about spreadsheets. They're a great option for those of you who want more control over how you manage your finances. With a spreadsheet, you're in the driver's seat. You get to create custom categories, use advanced formulas, and create your own personalized dashboard. You can also easily adjust your budget as your needs change and dive deep into your financial data to find trends and areas for improvement. Some people just love the satisfaction of seeing their budget laid out in front of them in black and white, no app required. Spreadsheets also give you the power to do some serious number crunching. If you want to run different scenarios to see how changes in your income or expenses might affect your bottom line, a spreadsheet is the perfect tool for that. Plus, once you've created your spreadsheet, it's there for you to use year after year, always ready with the latest up-to-date information on your finances. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, creating a budget on a spreadsheet can be a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with how to use formulas or how to create charts and graphs. But don't worry, there are tons of resources available to help you learn how to create a budget spreadsheet, if you're willing to put in the time to learn the ropes. A spreadsheet might just be the right fit for you. So what's the ultimate verdict? Well, it really comes down to your personal preferences and needs. If you want a hands-on approach to budgeting and you're willing to put in the time to learn how to use a spreadsheet, then go for it. However, if you prefer a more streamlined approach and you're tech-savvy, then a budgeting app might be a better fit. Remember, the best tool is the one you actually use. So try out both an app and a spreadsheet for a few weeks or months and see which one works better for you. You could also use a combination of both. Use an app to track your expenses and a spreadsheet to do some more in-depth analysis. Ultimately, the choice is yours. So what do you think? Which method will you use to manage your finances? Comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic budgeting battles and financial tips. Until next time, happy budgeting!